Hi friends, today we're making quick air fryer Argentine beef empanadas, with crisp golden pastry and a savory beef filling tucked inside. They are fast, satisfying, and perfect when you want empanada flavor without deep frying. This recipe makes 4 servings and takes about 35 minutes. Let's walk through the quick empanada lineup. 1 tablespoon olive oil helps soften the vegetables and starts the beef filling with a little richness. 1 small yellow onion, finely diced, brings sweetness and gives the filling that comforting empanada base. 1/2 red bell pepper, finely diced, adds color, gentle sweetness, and a tender bite. 8 ounces ground beef is the heart of these Argentine-style empanadas, and a lean blend keeps the filling juicy without becoming greasy. 1 teaspoon sweet paprika gives the beef a warm red color and a mild, familiar Argentine flavor. 1/2 teaspoon ground cumin adds earthy depth, so the filling tastes rounded even though it cooks quickly. 1/2 teaspoon kosher salt seasons the beef mixture from the inside out. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper adds a little sharpness without taking over. 1 tablespoon tomato paste gives the filling body and a subtle savory sweetness. 2 tablespoons sliced green olives bring the salty pop that makes each empanada taste distinctly Argentine. 1 hard-boiled egg, chopped, softens the savory filling and gives the empanadas a traditional touch. 8 Argentine empanada dough discs make this recipe fast, and thawed store-bought discs work beautifully in the air fryer. 1 tablespoon water helps seal the dough edges cleanly before crimping. 1 egg, beaten, creates a glossy golden finish as the empanadas crisp in the air fryer. Olive oil spray gives the air fryer basket and pastry a thin coating, so the empanadas turn crisp instead of dry. Start the preparation by warming 1 tablespoon olive oil in a skillet over medium heat. Add 1 small finely diced yellow onion and 1/2 finely diced red bell pepper, then cook for 4 minutes, stirring often, until the vegetables soften. Now that the vegetables are soft, add 8 ounces ground beef to the skillet. Break it into small crumbles and cook for 5 minutes, until no pink remains. With the beef cooked through, stir in 1 teaspoon sweet paprika, 1/2 teaspoon ground cumin, 1/2 teaspoon kosher salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, and 1 tablespoon tomato paste. Cook for 2 minutes, stirring until the beef is coated and fragrant. Take the skillet off the heat, then fold in 2 tablespoons sliced green olives and 1 chopped hard-boiled egg. Let the filling cool for 5 minutes, so it is easier to seal inside the dough. While the filling cools, preheat the air fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 3 minutes. This quick preheat helps the pastry puff and crisp right away. Now lay out 8 thawed Argentine empanada dough discs on the work surface. Spoon 2 tablespoons of cooled beef filling into the center of each disc, leaving a clean border all around. To help the dough seal, use 1 tablespoon water to lightly moisten the edge of each filled disc. Keep the water on the border only, so the centers do not become soggy. Once the edges are moistened, fold each disc in half over the filling to make a crescent. Press the edges firmly, then crimp them with a fork to lock the filling inside. With all 8 empanadas sealed, brush the tops with 1 beaten egg. This thin egg wash is what gives the air-fried pastry a beautiful golden sheen. Lightly coat the air fryer basket with olive oil spray. Place 4 empanadas in the basket in a single layer, leaving space between them so the hot air can circulate. Air fry the first batch at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 minutes. The top should start to puff, dry, and turn lightly golden. After 8 minutes, carefully turn the empanadas over. Air fry for 4 more minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, until both sides are crisp and golden. When the first batch is done, transfer the 4 empanadas to a plate and let them rest for 3 minutes. That short rest keeps the hot filling settled inside. For the second batch, lightly spray the basket again, add the remaining 4 empanadas, and air fry at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 minutes. Turn them over, then air fry for 4 more minutes, just like the first batch. Now that all the empanadas are cooked, let them rest for 2 minutes before serving. The pastry stays crisp, the filling is safely hot, and the cooking is finished. These air fryer Argentine beef empanadas deliver exactly what we promised: a quick, golden, savory bite with a classic beef, olive, and egg filling. Serve them warm as a snack, a light dinner, or part of a casual spread. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell for more easy recipes.